John chapter 1 verse 1. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. He was in the beginning with God.
Nahimukin pa, pilitin pa ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit nagkakaganyan. Lumulutang nasasayang ang buhay mo, at ang ibinubulong ng iyong puso. Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? At ikaw ay kaagad sumusuko. Konting hirap at munting pagsubok lang.